In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redact on Zendesk. Navigating the realms of customer support and ticket management can sometimes require the delicate task of redaction. Whether it's protecting sensitive information or simply keeping communications tidy, learning how to redact content on Zendesk effectively is a crucial skill. Let's kick things off by accessing Zendesk. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Zendesk website. Once there, you'll be greeted with a sign-in prompt. Click on it and it might ask you to click sign in again. This is just to confirm your action. Now, it's time to enter your credentials. Type in your email address and password carefully and either hit enter or click on the sign in button again to proceed. Following a successful sign in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, you need to focus on finding the specific ticket you want to work with. Zendesk's interface is intuitive, so simply click on your desired ticket to open it. This step is crucial because it ensures you're editing the correct information. Now that you've opened your ticket, locate the message within it that needs redaction. This is where the fun begins. Look for the three dots, often referred to as the More Options icon, situated beside the message you want to edit. Clicking on this icon will reveal several options, but for our purpose, we're interested in redaction. With the options now visible, you'll want to highlight the text in question. Take your cursor, click, and drag across the specific portion of the text you need to redact. This action designates exactly what information will be removed from view. After you've selected the text, proceed to click on Mark Text for redaction. This choice tells Zendesk that you wish to hide this text, but you're not done just yet. After marking your text, you have to confirm your action. Click on Mark for redaction. It's a way of telling Zendesk, yes, I'm sure I want to hide this part of the conversation. It's like a second confirmation, reinforcing your decision. Here's where it gets real. Having marked the text for redaction, you're now presented with a very pivotal button, Redact. By clicking on this, you're instructing Zendesk to permanently remove the highlighted text from the ticket. It's a point of no return, ensuring that the text can't be retrieved or viewed by anyone. This serves as a protective measure, ensuring sensitive information remains confidential. Lastly, you're almost at the finish line. After completing the redaction, you'll need to click on Submit as Open. This final step updates the ticket status, ensuring that your changes are saved and the ticket remains active for further actions or follow-ups. And there you have it. You've just learned how to navigate the process of redacting sensitive information from tickets in Zendesk, a valuable skill in maintaining privacy and compliance in customer support communications. Remember, redaction is permanent, so always double-check the text you select before proceeding with each step. Your mastery of this feature can greatly enhance the security and professionalism of your support operations. Happy redacting!